In this video we are going to talk about easy ways to make money with no skills. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. The COVID-19 pandemic is not only a public health emergency, but it is also a significant economic crisis for the country. Over 14 million Americans have lost their jobs in the 3 months since lockdown measures were implemented, and even more have had their working hours cut back or eliminated entirely. If you are one of the people who has been affected by the pandemic and has either lost your job or had your hours reduced to the point where you are struggling to make ends meet, continue reading to learn how you can earn money from the comfort of your own home. Earning money online is not a new concept, but it has traditionally been reserved for highly skilled professionals such as coders, UI, UX designers, accountants, and other similar positions that require extensive training to complete. When I say that it is difficult to earn money online without any prior skills or training, we realize how much of an understatement that is. However, earning money online without any prior skills or training is necessary to build a consistent stream of income through online sources. However, there is still hope. More and more businesses are choosing to hire temporary workers and outsource small jobs, making online hires more common than ever before. My research has resulted in the compilation of a list of such jobs that require no special skills and require little or no training to perform. Here are 7 different ways to make money online. Number 10. Learn how to become a data entry operator. Data entry jobs are simple and straightforward, making them an excellent choice for beginners to pursue as a career. Depending on your position, you may be required to perform a variety of tasks, such as entering data into a spreadsheet or transcribing PDF or image files into Microsoft Word. The possibilities for data operators are virtually limitless. Data entry jobs start at a low rate of $3–4 per hour on freelancing websites, based on the relative ease of the job. Better opportunities will present themselves as your experience and reputation grow. These opportunities can pay anywhere from $10 to more than $100 per hour. Number 9. Working as a customer service representative. E-commerce and social media are about to collide in the year 2020, bringing 2 major trends together. More than 35% of Americans have messaged a business regarding a purchase, according to a Facebook report titled "Why Conversation is the Future of Commerce." As e-commerce continues to grow at an unprecedented rate, particularly during this lockdown, buyers are eager to learn more about the businesses with which they are dealing before making a purchase. Thus, more opportunities exist for customer query managers who can respond to questions quickly and generate sales by providing excellent customer service to their customers. Number 8. Obtain employment as a virtual assistant. Personality, technological know-how, and ability to communicate effectively are all qualities that you should possess. Hired as a virtual assistant is a great way to make money. Any number of websites that hire virtual assistants, such as Virtalent, 24/7 Virtual Assistant, and Freelancer, are available to you to experiment with. An assistant's job description could include a variety of tasks, such as data entry, scheduling your client's calendar, booking flight and hotel tickets, and any other task that your client requires assistance with. The most important thing to remember in this situation is that you will be working closely with your client, and you must make every effort to accommodate his or her schedule. This does remove a great deal of flexibility from your work schedule, but on the plus side, virtual assistants earn a more consistent income. Number 7. Work as a translator or interpreter. Despite the fact that we promised to only include jobs that required no additional skills, if you are one of the 20% of Americans who speak a second language, translation jobs are simply too good of an opportunity to pass up. Work as an English teacher for non-native speakers, a transcriber, or even a call center operator from the comfort of their own homes are all possibilities for bilinguals. Number 6. Fill up online surveys. Surveys are used by businesses, researchers, and government agencies to gain a better understanding of their customers and constituents. As a result, real-time survey results must frequently be obtained in a short period of time. It is at this point that survey sites come into play. Using these websites, you can sign up to be a survey taker and earn anywhere from $1 to $3 per survey form completed. However, keep in mind that while taking online surveys can be a quick way to earn money, it will not make you rich. Treat this opportunity as more of a side hustle in addition to your current job or as one of many side hustles you could be doing on the internet at the same time. Number 5. Try copy trading. Try your hand at copy trading. Trading currencies, stocks, and options can be intimidating, and for good reason. To understand the ups and downs of the market, It takes a lot of training, a lot of reading up on the mechanics of free markets, and a lot of staying up to date with the latest news and information. However, there is a safe way to trade without having to become an expert in the stock market: copy trading. What exactly is copy trading? The concept of copy trading is straightforward. Instead of picking stocks and assets to invest in on your own, use social trading tools to find expert traders whose trades you can copy and learn from. As a result, if you choose an expert who invests 1% of his investment in an Apple stock, you will also have 1% of your investment invested in the same stock as the expert you chose. Number 4. Get compensated for testing websites. Focus groups are frequently used by web designers to test the functionality of their websites. If you are capable of following straightforward instructions and navigating through a website testing may be for you. But, before you get started, here's what you can expect. Web designers create websites for the general public, including people like you and me, and they want to make sure that everyone feels comfortable using the site. Additionally, thanks to advanced testing tools, website designers can study your behavior in order to determine how they can maximize clicks and sales by changing certain elements on the website. As a result, it is only natural for businesses and designers to compensate their target audience for using their website. Number 3. Microsoft Rewards. You do your research on the internet, don't you? We're all guilty of it. It's possible that you do it several times a day. That's right, you can now earn free gift cards simply by doing so. You can sign up for free with Bing Rewards and then search as you normally would. You will receive a certain number of points for each search that you conduct. Once you have accumulated a sufficient number of points, you can exchange them for gift cards, meal discounts, and even airline miles. Number 2. Making money online selling unused stuff. You would most likely already be aware of this. Take a look around your house, including your garage and basement. Do you come across anything that has been collecting dust and that you will never use again for any reason? Why don't you just sell them to someone else? People frequently look online for a cheaper, previously owned item to purchase. By listing your item on the following websites, you will be able to sell to this audience. Despite the fact that you are not making a tidy profit when you sell them, you are at the very least earning a percentage of the value of your investment, which only depreciates over time. It's better than doing nothing. Number 1. Earn money online with music review. This is something you've probably never heard of before, but Slice the Pie is a website that pays users to review songs by emerging artists. All that is required is that you listen to the songs, write reviews or provide feedback on the songs by new artists. You will be compensated for your contribution to the review. On the site, you can register and look over the tracks. Payments are typically credited via PayPal or other payment methods that can be customized to meet your needs and preferences. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.